The MIM-23 Hawk is a medium-range surface-to-air missile system developed by the United States during the Cold War era and later modernized to remain effective against evolving aerial threats. Its primary role is to provide ground forces with a reliable air defense shield against aircraft, drones, and certain types of cruise missiles. Designed as a mobile and flexible system, Hawk was widely deployed by the U.S. Army and later exported to many allied nations, making it one of the most used air defense systems of its generation. The missile has an effective range of approximately 25 to 45 kilometers, depending on the variant, and can engage targets at altitudes from very low levels up to around 18 kilometers. This versatility allowed it to cover gaps in air defense between short-range systems and higher altitude, long-range interceptors like the Nike series. Powered by a solid-fuel rocket motor, Hawk missiles achieve supersonic speeds quickly after launch, giving them the ability to intercept fast-moving enemy aircraft before they reach friendly forces or strategic positions. Guidance is based on semi-active radar homing, meaning the missile relies on ground-based radars to illuminate the target while its onboard seeker homes in on the reflected radar energy. This system, while effective, required robust radar coverage and coordination between missile units and their associated fire control radars. Over time, upgrades improved radar resistance, allowing Hawk to operate in contested environments with heavy jamming. The warhead is a high-explosive fragmentation type, optimized to destroy aerial targets with a lethal blast radius. Its detonation system uses both proximity and impact fuses, ensuring the missile can take down maneuvering targets even if not hit directly. Later upgrades introduced better electronics, digital fire control systems, and integration with more modern command networks, extending its operational life. The Hawk system is mounted on mobile launchers, typically tracked or wheeled vehicles, allowing repositioning in response to changing battlefield threats. This mobility was a key advantage, as it enabled U.S. forces to adapt quickly and maintain effective air defense coverage. Although gradually phased out of U.S. service by the early 2000s in favor of more modern systems like Patriot, Hawk remained in use with several allied nations for decades due to its reliability and adaptability.